back to the channel. Charlie forgot to shoot an intro for the video he did, so I am going to teleport to Charlie, who is doing a detailing, cleaning, testing some new products that he has on his 1998, right?
Yep.
1998 Subaru Impreza with an RSTI swap. So he's going to be cleaning that up. It's got a little gold flake in it. We're gonna get that out again, get that visible again, because it's been unclean for, you said, 2 years?
It had a detail like a year ago, but it hasn't. It's been sitting in shops for the past 6-8 months.
So it's about to get cleaned, and we're going to teleport there now.
Okay, first wash since having it back from Andrew. Andrew Yates Automotive. It's a little dirty. Has been washed for quite some time now. So see how this goes. There's a couple products here that I'm using. Very sad looking bottle of Nanoskin wheel cleaner. See a lot of people online on Facebook groups mention that. I have no clue what this stuff is. It works amazing. Bought it off Amazon. Always see it mentioned online too. Alu Devil Special Wheel Cleaner. Don't know how it works compared to like Iron X. I know it doesn't smell as bad, so that's a good thing. And this is the soap that I just got. Ethos Ceramic Shampoo. Apparently it's got a little bit of ceramic mixed in, and every time you use it, it gets better and better. So it says to use 3 to 4 ounces in the foam gun. Using my new Grouts, I want to say it's the Boss foam cannon, which is really neat because it comes with a jar that you put on, but it also fits on bottles. And it pre-mixes the stuff with the little tiny adapters on it. So really nice. You can just hook it up and go. And I've got my IK foam sprayer, which of course has the Nanoskin in it, and a little bit of really old Chemical Guys Diablo wheel gel or something. I don't do bucket wash. I foam cannon, which got my good old Amazon trusty Yamatic foam gun. Works fine. Hooked up to a poor man's Sunjo, which is mounted up on the wall. So I got a 1 bucket, and then I got a wheel bucket. That's the extent of my buckets. You can see here I've got my Sunjo. This is the 4000 something or other. Works good. Got my Cobra Jet 50 foot hooked up with the swivel on it. It's nice. I had an active 2.0. It's 300 bucks. This I've had forever, so I just mounted this up there. So yeah, let's have some fun, and I'll wash the car with no music on, so Mike can do his thing. Okay, we're on the tripod. This is a GoPro 11. I'm using Mike's, so I'm assuming it's like mine. We'll find out though. So I just sprayed the Nano wheel cleaner on here, and it's definitely doing something. Got the yellow discoloration on the wheel, and I don't use tire shine. I hate it. If anything, I'll use like a rubber sealant. I'm a matte rubber type of guy. Don't like shine, like just OEM looking tires, but it's definitely doing something. I think I'll probably spray it off and see how it looks after that. Just to spray off, no scrubbing or anything. Get some of that to paint. Doesn't look bad. Definitely looks like it got some off. It's see some of the iron still in there. So spray it down with the stinky stuff. I usually like to hit it first with this. Try not to ingest it, but since I'm trying something new, see how it works. Back here as well, definitely a lot of discoloration on the rubber. So I think I'll hit that with a second coat and kind of compare them. So I definitely don't have it mixed up well, but the German car cleaner, whatever it's called, Devil something or other, didn't pull any iron off. So the wheels weren't terribly dirty, and I'm wondering if the tires are off bleeding, because these are new tires. They were put on a couple months back. I could be lying. It could be last fall. Just hasn't been driven on. So the rear tire is definitely off bleeding the oils. I'm actually gonna get something to try. Take note, I don't have anything on one brand. Adams Tire and Rubber Cleaner. This is the best rubber cleaner you can buy. Haven't found anything better than this. It smells, but does a good job. I believe they've stopped making it, and now it's like a general wheel cleaner, and it's purple. The wheel cleaner before was blue, so I don't know, you mix blue and orange, you get purple. Maybe it's two things combined. But normally I scrub this. I'm not going to scrub it. Normally I would. Just a little bit of discoloration. I'll give it a few minutes. Be interesting to see what it does in my driveway, which needs to be sealed, so I don't really care if it gets any sort of staining or such on it right now. These wheels are original coated from 2003, so I can't even reach the inside of the wheel to clean that, so it's just the outside spokes. This is nice, not a huge have to have it type of person. I just get tired of squeezing the trigger, and it's easier to pump this. So would I recommend it? Yeah. I bought the normal one that's not a foamer. Haven't tried it yet. So again, with the Ethos ceramic shampoo, I'll give it a little shake, and take note, this is not mixed. It's going to do all the mixing and diluting itself. It's not washed. can't see it on camera, but it's very wet, I guess you could say. And if you can tell, if you know about these cars, these are not, or this is not factory color. This is actually Java Black Pearl off of the 04 Impreza. It's actually painted about 11 years ago. I saw it pop up on Facebook. So, but it's you can kind of tell a little difference here. So it's doing something. There's a little oil slick there, but it's not a. Oh, that's weird. It's acting just like a ceramic coating, just much slower. I don't want to touch it. The paint's very smooth. I gotta move the charger. How about that window tint? It's 20%. Still was 20%. 17 years ago. Dad dropped me off, picked the car up, and it was pouring down rain. The car didn't have air conditioning. It's not a fun experience. That's when I learned I couldn't see out the windows at night with tint. Wish this was a little tighter. Okay, let's see what we got here. There's a little bit of residue. Wow, I really don't like this paint. It's so soft, but I need to coat this thing. You can see where I was just rubbing it, right there. And that's a residue that's on my hands as well, but there's some marring on the paint. It's not bad, but I'm pretty impressed for this soap. It's definitely shiny, and the tire cleaner definitely took the what shine that was factory left off of those tires. So I need to do a paint correction on it. A friend of mine used to own Frederick Detailing, detailed it and a while back. And it's been used and abused since then. Yeah, look at this tint. This is what's left of 20% tint. And I'll clean out the interior another time. Whew, it smells like a 20-year-old car. All this stuff I need to put on the list of things to fix. Get new trim for there. I'm actually getting a new windshield Tuesday, so that's part of the reason I wanted to clean it, so there's no gunk and everything. You're getting, wow, yeah, it's got some swirls, marring. It's just marring. But yeah, I like the soap. Very happy with it. Much have we used? So it's right above the for better results. So that's 3 cars using it heavily. I'm gonna guess I can get 10 out of here total. And 2 to 3 ounces per wash. So that's about what it says. So pretty impressed with this foam cannon. I'll have Mike link all the products in the. I will give this a rub, polish down, not a rub down. I guess we'll go from there. Definitely looks like Andrew had some fun with the tires, but that's what it's for. And I'm not a huge fan of Yokohama tires, but I got these for like $400 on sale, so I'll take it. These are Pilot Super Sports, but I go through a set of tires every 5 to 8 years in this thing, so it's not worth it. But now we just had the car retuned, everything else, so we'll do a little overview of the car, but I'm hoping I can start driving it to work. Just got to put the cabin air filter in it, which will be another video, since Mike's car and mine don't have them, and definitely need it for the pollen out here. So, but yeah.
that's going to be a wrap for this video. Charlie had completely cleaned this car, got the wheels clean, got the sides clean, all the paints really restored. He'd used that new ceramic soap. That looks like it worked really well. Like it started applying like an oily coat to the paint, and it was kind of just falling off. So it looks like it worked out really well.
It's doing something.
It's doing something, and it wasn't that expensive, was it?
No, it was like, I want to say $20 for the 16 ounces.
$20 for 16 ounces. So
it's not cheap, but
it's not cheap, but it ain't ceramic pricing, which is
$1,000-some.
thousands. Yeah. So hope you like this kind of content. If you want to see more of it, definitely consider subscribing. If you like this video, this was Charlie's first video hosting by himself. Hit the like button below and comment. Good job, Uncle Charlie. We need more of this. See you next time.
More cars.
More cars. Well, you know, I got that black Subaru outside. It's covered in bird crap.
No.
It's covered in bird crap, and
Figure
it's
out
got
your air conditioning
scratching.
situation here, and we'll do it in the summer.
Oh, air conditioning in here. That's expensive. See you next time. Bye.